Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your love and romance forecast for 2022 for Aries. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, this reading is for you. If you know an Aries, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website and you can also buy your own personal 2022 readings from the website, and many other readings are available to buy, so you can choose yours. And also make sure to check out your general horoscopes for the year 2022. They are also super detailed. The links are in the timestamps. So Aries, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, this is for the year, full year, so yes, you can watch it anytime. So let's see, Aries, what's the theme of the year 2022? What is the theme of the year for Aries for love in 2022? You know, this is 2022 is a year of changes. Big changes are coming. Big awakenings are coming for all of us. So let's see, Aries, what's happening for you. Eight of Swords. Yeah, moving out of your comfort zone. The Three of Wands. And the Eight of Swords. You have 2 8 8. So this is something destined that's happening for you this year. You are definitely moving out of your comfort zone, moving out of challenges, moving out of troubles, Aries. Your future is looking extremely bright. Any relationship or any love decisions you take are future oriented. Your focus is very much on your future this year, on making future security, future commitment, long-term relationships, long-term commitment. Eight of Wands. Yes, I do see this will be a fast year for you. There is excitement, there is love, there is joy, and there is a lot of happiness. Yes, and oh my god, look at that, Aries, the sun. Yes, you are definitely going to attract a beautiful loving relationship. If you are single, if you are in a complicated relationship, rest assured 2022 is going to bring you romance, healing, happiness. Your future is looking really bright, Aries. This is definitely the year when you meet love and harmony. You know, love is blessing you this year, Aries, because you have the sun. So your relationships are effortless, they are easy. There is communications, lesser blocks, and more future oriented growth and future, progress is there. So it's a good year. And this is the year, Aries, when past blocks are removing from your life. I do see there are you have been stuck in relationships or in complicated or really stuck relationships. No communication kind of a relationship. But this is the year communications will open up, right actions will take place, and your future is looking really bright. There is love, there is romance, there is happiness coming your way. So let's see, Aries, what is going to be in your love life, what's going to happen. Okay, lots of cards are just, I'll shuffle them because they don't want to come out. They are coming out but not really. Let's see, love life for Aries. Who? Wheel of Fortune. Nice, interesting. No one has a Wheel of Fortune, I guess. Not not much. It's not coming much. Aries, this is definitely your year of progress in love. You're moving forward in love, in relationships. This is the year of healing also. Your healing, recovery, fame, happiness, joy coming to you. All right, Aries. So let's see how your love life will be. The High Priestess. Yes, you start the year feeling very, very intuitive. You have a special connection with a person this year. When you start the year, there is a lot of telepathy. Even if you are single, you are feeling a lot of connection. You are feeling like, yes, something is about to happen for you. Queen of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. And yes, if you are single, you could be meeting someone very, very important and special in the first half of the year with the Wheel of Fortune. Also, Some of you were dealing with a stuck relationship, complicated relationship that is going to resolve in the first half of the year. Communications will start, and a new era of love, a new start in love will happen for you. And let's see, the Six of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and the Four of Wands. So I do feel there is a chance of marriage proposals coming your way, talks of marriage, settling down, engagement, moving in together. Those things are important for you. Five of Cups, somebody from the past is coming back, and this time they are sure of getting married to you. Six of Pentacles, and if this is not somebody from the past, this is a past life connection coming back into your life, and this person is very giving, this person is very loving for you, Aries. Also, if you have already are in a relationship, the mid of the year is where things will get better in your love life, in your marriage. There will be a lot of give and take, and equal love and care, from both sides. Let's see the mid of the year. Five of Wands. Yeah, I do feel mid of the year is the time when some sort of a challenge may come in your love life, because you and your partner are thinking differently. Also, you may be pulled in different directions. What to do in the mid of the year. Queen of Cups. Yes, emotions are very, very high. A lot of high emotions are happening for you in the mid of the year. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Two of Swords. Yes, indecisions will be you will be stuck in indecision, trying to understand which is the right way forward. Some past problems may reappear in the middle of the month or year. So, Aries, just be careful because you are changing, you have changed. And Four of Swords, take time in taking any long term decisions in mid of the year, because a lot is not seen. There is so much emotional intensity here in mid of the year that you cannot see certain things, but it will heal, it will heal. So be patient, give it some time. Let's see the end of the year. The end of the year is very powerful. The world, yes, you could be connecting with a long distance partner, getting married to somebody who is in different city or country. Your partner could be moving towards you, meeting you face to face, or you could be getting married to someone who lives near you, but they are from a different country. Four of Cups. Yes, at the end of the year, you and your partner are very close, and you guys are focusing on one-to-one time. Knight of Wands, there is a lot of passion, there is a lot of emotion, and you don't want to leave each other's side, Aries. I see you getting very physically passionate with each other. The Star. Yes, you have found your poetry, you have found your song, Aries, and obviously you don't want to leave that person, do you? I won't, for sure. Let's see some what you should keep in mind, and advice. Let's see, what do Aries need to keep in mind. I feel this is the year when love is very, very sweet for you. Love is very beautiful, it's very deep also, and it's very futuristic. So it's your year of love. What does Aries needs to keep in mind? Trust you are on the right path. Even sometimes you may be feeling like you are going in crazy, you're going in cycles, you don't know where you are going, but you have to trust. Take the lead. Yes, you have to take the lead, especially if you are single. You have to make the first move, or at least put yourself out there in public. Opportunity beckons. Yes, Four of Cups. I do see love is coming your way, and you will have many, many options to deepen your relationships this year. Let us see the advice for you, Aries. Advice for our beautiful Aries. Trust the universe. Again, you have two trust cards. Yoo-hoo! And still you will not believe it. Then when are you going to believe it, Aries? Trust the universe. Yes, there is a divine plan in action, and stay positive, because that's going to affect your love life. The more positive you are, the more beautiful your relationships will be. Compassion. So be kind with yourself, Aries. I do feel you had been through a tough 2021, so it is time to enjoy this year, and live every moment. That's really necessary for you. Be kind to yourself. And let's see your charms now. I have 12 months here and the 12 astrological houses. Let's see. For Aries, how this year will be for Aries. For Aries, how this year will be. Alright, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna separate them because they are right in the middle. Let's see. You have a lot of charms, Aries. Lot of charms. So in the first house for January, you have the twin flame charm. So there is a soulmate relationship coming. You have the twin flame veil. This is a big-hearted person. All your love worries will be resolving. You are getting ready for love. There is the leave, let go in February. There is a child. Some of you could be dating someone who is married, or if you are married, you are expecting a child. Also, maybe you are a single parent and you are going to meet someone similar. In March, let's see March. Unicorn, your wishes are coming true. Skeleton, letting go of the past. Communications, feather, communications are coming in March. One of your, yes, a breakthrough is coming for you in your love life. Some of you could also be, legal issues will be resolving in the month of March. Let's see in May. The number 5 is important in May. In June, fish, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Six of Wands, yes, relationships are very successful. Two of Cups. In June, you have definitely a relationship or friendship or a crush coming in. And look at that, the love nest. Oh my god, yes, their love is very romantic for you. Very, very romantic. The key, someone has a key to your heart in the month of June. Let's see, July, Prince of Coins. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, Seven of Wands, don't give up, you are on the right path. Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Listen to your intuition. Number E, letter E is important. August, Kingfisher. Wow, you are very lucky. Your relationships are very blessed. Saturn, yes, this is a destiny. This is a gift from the universe. Whatever is happening in August is a gift from the universe. There are lessons, there are blessings, and a lot of joy to be having, to be learned from August. Iron, fixing things. October, house, family, relationships, all these things are important. Shifting, relocating. The November, growth, yes, you and there is a growth in your relationships. Fated, some of you could be getting married in November. The 12th house, the drumbeat, yes. In December, there is going to be important messages coming your way. And Aries, happy new year 2022. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Insta. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.